Hi, I'm Jenny Hess, teacher of 4th grade. I'm going to talk about another set of standards from the Common Core that we teach in the 4th grade. I can multiply two-digit numbers using strategies based on place value and properties of operations and illustrate and explain the calculation by using equations, rectangular arrays, and/or area models. So this is an extension of the area model strategy that we already use for 3 and 4 digits and 2 digits by 1 digit. But we can still use the same strategy with 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. And we do that, we set up the rectangle in the exact same way that we would set up the area model array previously with the other multiplication problem. But this time we're breaking up two numbers, in this case 47 by its expanded notation, and 18, 10, and 8. We just have more equations to multiply. So one thing that kids have a challenge of doing is kind of keeping straight over what numbers to use. So we try to really teach kids to focus on one rectangle at a time. And that's why it's important to write out the equation and what it equals before we go ahead and try and do the addition piece. So this is 40 times 10. That is the area of this rectangle. And then this is 7 times 10, 10 being the measurement of this side of the rectangle, 7 being the measurement of this. 40 times 8, 8 measuring this side, 40 measuring that side, and then 7 times 8, 8 measuring this side, 7 measuring that side. Once all of the multiplication equations are written and solved, again, I rewrite this in to show the distributive property, and I also tell kids this is a little bit like an explanation or recording of how you solve the problem. What you did is that you multiplied 40 times 10, you added it to 40 times 8, then you added that to 7 times 10, and you added that to 7 times 8. It's like a roadmap to how they get their answer. You rewrite the equivalence: 400, 320, 70, 56, added together, and the answer is 846. This is a really good strategy if you get confused about multiplying and then adding back and forth, like with the algorithm, the way you and I probably were taught how to do this. We do all the multiplication first, and then we do the addition. The rectangles are a really good way to visually separate each equation and to get a sense of what it is they're multiplying. Again, with arrays, we remind kids that these are dimensions of a rectangle, and there are units, and these represent the number of units inside each rectangle, and these dimensions are rows and columns.